The rich follow certain rules that they never reveal. If you get to know these rules, you could also follow these and get rich. That's why they keep it a secret. But we found out 13 such rules of money which the rich follow. Watch this video till the end, because if you follow these rules, you will surely become rich in 2025. Now let's start. Number 1. Maintain a lifestyle within your financial capacity. Embracing a lifestyle of living below your means is essential. It establishes the foundation of sound financial management. The budgeting blueprint acts as a strategic framework in this initiative, ensuring that your expenditures are in harmony with your key objectives and core values. This strategic approach goes beyond basic financial planning. It embodies a deliberate commitment to fostering a mindset of purposeful spending and intentional saving. At its essence, budgeting involves the meticulous monitoring of every dollar that enters and exits your financial landscape. This is a carefully structured approach designed to safeguard against the minor leaks that could undermine your financial stability in the long run. By meticulously tracking every expense, individuals acquire a thorough insight into their financial landscape. This increased awareness serves as a protective barrier against unwarranted spending, allowing for a strategic allocation of resources. The 13th rule is really unknown to many, so keep watching. Number 2. Enhancing financial management expertise. Mastering budgeting skills requires a strategic approach that goes beyond simply creating spreadsheets or utilizing financial applications. It demands a disciplined commitment to meticulously categorizing expenses. It's essential to grasp the intricacies of financial allocation, distinguishing between essential expenditures and discretionary spending, and making strategic choices regarding fund distribution. Leveraging applications for automated tracking represents a modern strategy that enhances operational efficiency, delivering immediate insights into your financial behaviors. This budgeting blueprint emphasizes the critical importance of consistently reducing discretionary expenses. It's imperative to evaluate non-essential expenditures critically, pinpointing opportunities to enhance savings while maintaining your standard of living. This approach to frugality is not about lacking, but rather a calculated allocation of resources to prioritize what is genuinely significant. The ultimate objective of mastering this budgeting blueprint extends beyond mere financial stability. It is about establishing a strong foundation for future financial independence. By intentionally allocating resources to key priorities, individuals are effectively reducing wasteful expenditures while simultaneously setting the stage for strategic investments, savings, and the achievement of long-term goals. This budgeting philosophy represents a strategic initiative aimed at cultivating a secure and prosperous financial future. Please subscribe to our channel as it motivates us to make more amazing financial videos for you all. Number 3. Prioritize early and consistent investment. The true power of investing is found in the strategic use of time and the exponential growth of compounding returns. Initiating projects promptly and fostering development is crucial. To maximize returns, we must strategically open tax-advantaged retirement accounts, commit to consistent monthly investments, and ensure that gains and dividends are reinvested effectively. Regular investment over time drives the portfolio's growth, establishing it as a fundamental approach to achieving financial success. Number 4. Establish various revenue channels. The idea of establishing multiple income streams represents a powerful strategy for achieving resilience and prosperity in the financial landscape. The conventional idea of depending exclusively on one income stream is evolving into a more strategic and innovative model. This philosophy recognizes that genuine abundance comes from diversifying revenue streams, guaranteeing a consistent flow of resources from multiple avenues. Establishing supplementary income streams is essential for creating a robust financial ecosystem that benefits from diversity. This approach is intentionally designed to mitigate the risks associated with relying too heavily on one source. The opportunities for establishing these revenue streams are diverse, each adding distinct value to the broader financial ecosystem. One of the core components of this strategy is the adoption of side ventures initiatives that capitalize on individual skills and passions. These initiatives not only generate additional revenue but also empower individuals to tap into their entrepreneurial potential. Side hustles frequently emerge from authentic passions or skills, rendering them not only profitable but also deeply satisfying. Number 5. Buy assets that generate passive income. Assets that generate passive income are a crucial component of this comprehensive strategy. These assets operate efficiently behind the scenes, generating returns without requiring ongoing direct engagement. Strategic investments in stocks, real estate, or dividends from meticulously curated portfolios demonstrate the capacity of passive income to enhance financial stability. Strategic projects, when aligned with individual strengths and expertise, serve as a powerful avenue for income diversification. These initiatives extend beyond mere financial returns. They embody the realization of a vision and foster a profound sense of purpose. By strategically focusing on initiatives that align with their unique strengths, individuals can significantly boost their income while also achieving a deeper sense of fulfillment in their endeavors. Number 6. Diversifying revenue sources. The essence of developing diverse income streams is rooted in ensuring both stability and adaptability. During periods of economic volatility or unexpected obstacles, maintaining a variety of cash flows serves as a crucial financial safeguard. It enables individuals to navigate challenges without excessive dependence on a singular income stream that could be susceptible to external influences. This strategy guarantees the autonomy to chase one's objectives. By maintaining flexibility beyond a singular role or revenue source, individuals can strategically pursue opportunities that resonate with their passions and core values. This financial flexibility represents a crucial element of genuine abundance, the capacity to lead a life that is not solely governed by financial limitations. In essence, establishing multiple income streams represents a strategic and visionary approach. It transcends the conventional understanding of financial stability, striving for a robust and adaptable financial framework. This strategy focuses on not merely enduring challenges but excelling in various environments, guaranteeing that financial prosperity remains a steadfast ally throughout life's journey. Number 7. Streamline your financial processes. Streamlining financial operations alleviates pressure and guarantees uniformity. Implementing automatic transfers, utilizing bank bill pay for expenses, and leveraging robo-advisors for investment strategies enhances financial management efficiency. Automation streamlines processes, enabling continuous growth and compounding benefits without the need for extra effort. Number 8. Striving for understanding. A core element of this philosophy is the relentless pursuit of knowledge across diverse channels. Online courses provide accessible and specialized learning experiences that are essential for acquiring new skills and maintaining a competitive edge in a fast-changing environment. Continuous education empowers individuals to refine their skills and strategically align themselves with evolving trends and opportunities. Books serve as enduring sources of knowledge, offering a valuable opportunity for personal investment. Engaging with classic literature, contemporary thought leadership, and specialized publications serves as a vital channel for intellectual growth. Embracing the practice of reading books is essential for continuous personal development, cultivating a mindset driven by curiosity and exploration. Number 9. Strategic decisions for expansion. Moreover, strategic risks associated with growth opportunities embody a forward-thinking mindset in personal investment. This requires moving beyond familiar boundaries, tackling formidable challenges, and seizing opportunities that foster both personal and professional growth. These strategic risks serve as catalysts for growth, driving individuals toward new horizons and enhancing their portfolio of skills and experiences. Number 10. The inner money tree. The concept of the inner money tree symbolizes the ongoing development of individual potential. Just as a financial investment demands ongoing focus and diligence to generate returns, the same principle applies to personal development. Consistent and purposeful actions, regardless of their scale, lead to significant cumulative benefits over time. This principle emphasizes the importance of adopting a mindset focused on ongoing enhancement and acknowledging that personal development is an enduring journey. Also, investing in oneself signifies a recognition that the most valuable asset is not just financial, but lies within the individual. The foundation of success lies in the accumulation of knowledge, the development of skills, and the cultivation of personal resilience. This strategy reflects the recognition that the most significant and lasting returns arise from a deliberate and continuous commitment to personal development. As the path of self-investment progresses, individuals discover that they are not only financially empowered but also enriched in ways that transcend mere numbers. Number 11. Develop the ability to exercise patience and embrace the value of delayed gratification. Achieving financial independence necessitates prioritizing long-term gains over immediate gratifications. Developing endurance requires establishing timelines for significant decisions, keeping long-term objectives in focus, and creating a system of rewards that incentivizes patience and delayed gratification. Endurance is essential for achieving sustained success. Number 12. Adopt a mindset of perpetual growth and development. Knowledge grows at an exponential rate. Engaging with educational content on a daily basis through books, podcasts, and social media positions individuals for success. Embracing lifelong learning is essential for maintaining a competitive edge in the dynamic financial landscape. Number 13. Align yourself with the right individuals. Associations significantly shape perspectives and financial paths. Elevating oneself requires engaging with communities dedicated to growth, minimizing exposure to negativity, and pursuing guidance from individuals who have successfully created wealth. The selection of an appropriate circle of influence is pivotal in shaping one's financial trajectory. Please press the subscribe button now to know more financial updates.